What's up guys, welcome back to ROMs for you. Today let's look at latest OctaviOS version 3.0 unofficial build running on Xiaomi POCO F1. The build is from 30th October 2021. I have already made a gaming test on this build. If you are interested to look on that, link is in the description. To begin with, let's quickly get into About Phone session. The ROM is based upon Android 12 and version is 3.0. Maintainer name is set it as unknown and kernel they are using is Silvercore 10.3, which is a balanced kernel. Security patch coupled here is from 5th October 2021. SC Linux is by default enforcing. Moving forward, under system settings there is option for system update. You will be able to see upcoming updates from here. There is also option for gesture as well as backup and reset options. Multi-user option is available and developer option is by default enabled. The settings panel here is arranged in a categorized manner. When you are using this first time, you may feel bit confused. Once you get used to it, it is pretty easy to access any settings. When you come to connected devices, there is option for adding Bluetooth devices as well as managing it. You will be able to search and add Bluetooth devices from here. I was able to add my MI watch as well as my Bluetooth headphone without any issue. The battery settings lies under system settings. When you come to battery settings, there is option for pixel thermal switching. Once you enable it, you can select appropriate thermal for your particular game or applications. And yeah, you will be able to enable or disable battery percentage from here. Under display settings, there is option for dark theme switching. And also there is option for managing lock screen. You can also enable or disable tap to wake option as well. There is no option for display cutout settings, but the option is available under developer option and it is capable of hiding your notch without issues. Yes, this version does has the rounded corners. Under wallpaper and styles, there is option for themed icon. The option is still under beta. After enabling it, you will notice that the icon theme changes according to what wallpaper you have applied, which is some cool feature of course. When you come to security session, there is option for screen lock and fingerprint lock as well. Other options like smart lock, SIM card lock are available. The fingerprint and screen lock are pretty faster here. Out of the box, the ROM is encrypted. There is no presence of face unlock for now. Maybe we can expect it in upcoming updates. When it comes to QS panel, the QS panel opening and closing animations are pretty smooth. And yeah, after selecting edit button, you will be able to add or remove tiles from here. The ROM does include screen recorder. It is capable of recording internal audio and microphone at a time. After enabling the screen recorder, I did notice that the app opening animations are very much laggy, as well as the navigation is pretty much lagging, which is a bug as of now. When it comes to recent menu, there is option for select and screenshot. Swiping from left to right, you will get clear all option as well. When talking about temperature, the ROM does got a decent temperature handling. Even after doing benchmarking as well as CPU throttling test, the ROM was only heated up to 38 degrees Celsius, which is something great. Moving forward, swiping from left to right from home screen, you will get Google feed. I did notice that it is not that much faster. It does its job, but it can become better. The ROM comes out with open camera. It does its job, but you may need to rely on Google Cam or ANX. When it comes to DRM info, the ROM does also got Widevine L1 support. Out of the box, the ROM is not rooted and passes Saftynet checks as well. When you come to Google Play Store and settings, the device is also Google Play Protect certified. When it comes to dialer, the ROM does not comes out with any automatic call recording feature. You may need to rely on third-party one if you want to. Now let's talk about benchmarks. Out of the box, after setting up gaming thermals, AnTuTu scores 4 lakh plus. and Geekbench scores for single core 417 and multi-core 2008, which are not that much great scores for Snapdragon 845. To understand more about performance, I did do a 30-minute CPU throttling test. Starting value of ROM was really great, but after 5 minutes I did notice major drops in performance. And overall the ROM managed to pull out average value of 1,61,000 plus, which is not that much great score for Snapdragon 845. So that being said, it is time to conclude the video. Since I have already uploaded a gaming test, I won't be adding any gameplay here. Yes, let's talk about my experience. The gameplay was average. I did notice the FPS fluctuation in between 30 to 60 FPS, which will lead to major lag if you are in a close combat. Leaving that behind, I didn't notice any major bugs with this ROM. Overall, the ROM is pretty smooth as a daily driver. If you are choosing any performance-based kernel, you can get more performance out of it. So that's it guys, this is all about OctaviOS 3.0. Hope this video was helpful to you. Like and shares are always appreciated. Subscribe if you are new here, and I'll catch you in next one.